Hello everyone, in today's video I want to make a pop-out effect in Photoshop. First of all, I've downloaded a phone photo. Here I need to select its screen to make a mask and hide it. After selecting the green part, click on Layers Mask icon, then tap Ctrl I in keyboard to inverse it. Now move the other photo to this document and resize it. Make sure that her hand is out of the screen so we can make it visible next. Move its layer above the background. Hold Ctrl key and click on the phone's layer, but on mask part to make the mask selected. Now click on mask icon, then tap Ctrl I to make it inverse. Select brush tool and by white color selected, paint on her hand to make it visible. As you can see, in both layers we have a little extra green color, so I want to remove them easily. To do that, from down part of the layers panel, I click on selective color option and then choose green. Now make some changes to disappear green parts. Alright, now she needs a background, so I decided to add a street photo below her layer. It's easy, so I just move its layer to the main document and put it below other layers. Then resize it as you like to. To have some shadow from her hand to the big hand, you need to create a new layer above the phone's layer. Then select brush tool and change the foreground color, then paint. Don't forget to change the brush opacity, so just tap on 3 key on keyboard and make its opacity 30%. Now from filter menu, choose blur and then Gaussian blur. Change the blur amount and see the result. Tap OK whenever you're happy with it. You can create some shadows of her body on the background if you'd like to. Now add the photo of pouring coffee and resize it. Select the extra part of the coffee and delete it. Now from color balance option, make some changes to set the new added layer to the other photos. I see a little light around the bottle, so we need to add a little glow. So from layers panel, choose inner glow and make the extra lights gone. After that, right click on the effects layer in layers panel and select create layer. Now erase parts that you don't need. You can make the coffee darker by burn tool from toolbar. Now I want to change the sleeve color to the main one so you think both hands are for the same person. And that's all. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Like always, I wish you the best and peace together.